this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use case statements in C#. So first off, just start off with a standard project. Remove the hello world text. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a a case statement is used for when you have an if statement but with multiple different options. Okay, so more than two options. So we're going to do a ask what's your favorite Power Ranger today. So first up, we're going to start with asking a question using the console write line feature. So remember this, write something to the screen. So we're going to say, which is your favorite Power Ranger? And then we're going to give them options of brackets so they know which to select from. Red, black, blue, yellow, pink and green. Next up, we need to declare a string which will allow us to work out what the input is from the option. So string, we'll call it input, you call it any name you want to, you could call it Power Ranger if you want to. And then attached to that, we're just going to read whatever's entered into it. And then the difference between a if statement and a switch statement is we use the switch command. So switch, and we are switching whatever is selected within or entered inside that variable input. And a toLower function basically means it will keep reading through the list of different options until it exhausts that list. So the way we start this off is we have a curly brace, okay, and then what we need to do is we use the case command to declare each of the options. And the way we do the declare option is we have in double quotes the option. So first one's going to be red, colon, and then we can do whatever we want in there. So we're going to say console write to the screen, write line, and then put some text in there. And then what we need to do is if that option red exists, you need to actually break the actual case statement so it doesn't read the other options. However, we need to do the other options here, which is black, yellow, so black, blue, yellow, pink and green. So what we do again is we could just copy and paste this, and then we'll just select the option underneath it. So we'll change this one to black. And let's change the text here so we know it's a bit different. Okay, so we'll repeat the process for the rest. And then the final option is what we call default. So what happens is this will print if an option is not selected from inside our case statement. Remembering that you always break every time to make sure it knows to go there. And then if we run this now, okay, so we can enter in what is our favorite Power Ranger, red, and it'll give us the option there. So the idea of this is that if you have an if statement, you're limited to one or two options, a true or false or condition. If you have multiple options in the same one, like here with the Power Rangers, it's always recommended that you use a case statement. Otherwise, if you have a whole bunch of if statements, it gets very hard to maintain and very easy to make a mistake. So if you have any more questions about C#, please watch my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.